Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see these organizing hacks. So these are some hacks you can use for organizing your stuff in the fridge. They are really helpful. These are some organizers, like this egg holder you can use for organizing eggs. And we've got this organizer you can use for soda cans. These are other organizers you can use in the fridge. This is another clip. These are some hacks you can use for organizing fruits. We've got this tool you can use for cleaning fruits. We've got this small basket you can use for grapes or any other food items. This is another clip. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is a cleaner you can use for your jewelry. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a brush. This is a tool you can use for your face. This is a basket you can use for putting fruits and vegetables. This is a cleaner. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners.